Hello guys, this is Prime Concept once again. Want to still handle another problem under curved mirrors. Now we have a problem on the board. Before you can really understand this, do well to check my video on sign convention used in curved mirrors. So this would really help you to understand this. So do well to watch my derivation from mirror formulas. It would also help you, right? Now let's jump into this problem very quickly. They said that a small object is placed in front of a concave mirror. So we're still dealing with a concave mirror at a distance of 10 cm. So it means that the object distance u is 10 cm, right? Yeah. Now, we also know that the object distance for our concave and even convex mirror is always negative. So we're going to attach a minus to this. So we have minus 10 cm. They said the image is formed behind the mirror at a distance of 30 cm. Whenever your image is formed behind the mirror, it automatically means that your image is virtual. And we said that virtual images always take what signs? They take positive signs. So it means that our V, which is 30 cm, is going to be positive because it is virtual. If it were to be a real image, then it would be negative. But since it is virtual, it is positive. Now, they said from the object. Okay, the image is formed behind the mirror at a distance of 30 cm from the object. So this is where a lot of students will make mistakes similar to what I've just done. Now, our 30 cm is not actually our image distance. So they said 30 cm from the object. Now, assuming I have my mirror like this is my concave mirror. So let me quickly explain that. Now, and this is our image. This is our image, then this is our object, right? And they are telling us that the distance from the image to the object is what? 30 cm. So it means that this total distance is 30 cm. Now, how do I know? But I know already that the distance of my object is 10 cm, right? Now, how do I find my image distance, this distance? V. How do I know it? Very simple. Now, if you look at the diagram, you will see that if everything is 30, from here to here is 30, and this small portion is 10, it means that you should think of what you would put so that when you add that number to 10, it will give you 30. So what will you add to 10 to get 30? You are very correct, 20. So it means that our V is going to be 20 cm. Now, of course, 20 cm, is it going to be positive or negative? Positive, because we are dealing with a virtual image. So our V is positive, 20, not 30. And that is why you should pay close attention. A lot of students will make mistakes here. Now, the question says, determine the focal length of the mirror. So we're trying to find focal length F of our mirror. Now we're going to dive into what? Mirror formula, which says 1 by F equals 1 by V plus 1 by U. So that's our mirror formula. So if we substitute our parameters, we would have quickly that 1 by F is equal to 1 by V. What is our V? 20 plus 1 by U. Our U is minus 10 by convention. So you notice that plus and minus, plus times minus will give us minus. So I can simply say that 1 by F is 1 by 20. This becomes minus 1 by 10. So 1 by F is equal to, my LCM here is 20. So 20 in 20 is 1. 1 times 1 is 1. 10 in 20 is 2. 2 times this is this. So what do I have? I have that 1 by F is equal to 1 minus 2 is minus 1 divided by 20. So I want to find F. So it simply means that my F is going to be minus 20 divided by 1, which you can simply say is minus 20 cm. Now, what would you see in your option? Again, you will not see minus in your option. What does the minus sign tell you? The minus sign simply confirms that you're actually dealing with a concave mirror. So I believe this concept is very clear to you. If you have watched my video and has followed up till this end, up till this point, please do well to hit the subscribe button, like my videos whenever you watch them, comment, tell me your areas of concern, tell me the things you really don't understand, the things you'd want me to do next, then share with your friends so that they can also benefit. I believe this is very clear. Remember, this is prime concept. Thank you.